Check out your feather, Pedro. You dropped this feather. Look at your feather that you dropped. It up again. It's a pretty feather. Look at that. Ah, Pedro's feather. Look at that, Pedro. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna reverse it. You can have it the other way. Look. You drop it. You've lost 2 feathers today, huh? 2 feathers. Sorry, here's the other one. Look, on the floor. Look at this one. Look at this one, Pedro. Look. Oh, another feather. Oh. Oops. Huh? You want me to pick that up? Huh? Oops. Kiss, kiss. There. Okay, come on. Feather, playing with a feather, playing with a feather. Okay, we drop it again. Hey, that is a pretty feather. We should make this into an earring. Can I get another one matching? So we can have earrings, Pedro. Huh? Mommy's gonna make this into earrings. Look. Look, can make earrings like, look, like that. Look, hang on. There. Fell off. It fell off, Pedro. Okay, drop it. Give it to me. Give me the feather. Where's it? It's on my shoulder. Here, look. Where's the feather? There. Whoops. There you go. We put it into Mommy's earring, Pedro. Look. Put it in Mommy's earrings. There you go. Whoops. You just want me to pick it up and you can play with it. Oopsie. Oopsie. Look at Pedro, I know. Oopsie.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at the pressure. Oopsie. Look at the pressure in your baby bra. What's this? How do you lick? This is the start, Pedro. Look, this does. You're sexy.